Welcome SSC 100 students. This is my week 2 commentary for our Fall 17 course, Introduction to Social Sciences. This is the week that leads up to the end of the orientation period for the course, which is to say the orientation workshop scheduled for either Saturday on campus or Sunday on the phone bridge. For those of you unable to come to campus, the phone bridge is a good option no matter where you are. That being said, please do call me or post questions in Dr. K's office if you have any questions about anything related to the course design, our ways of proceeding together, and in essence, we're trying now to build that learning community that we need. With respect to course content, this week we'll look at the theme of both global and local social sciences. And global social sciences, you will soon come to see, refers to those disciplines and professions that are in fact not unique to the United States, certainly not to Maine, and in fact have become global institutions. Similarly, we will be looking at the issue of professions and how they relate to the academic fields of the social sciences. And then lastly, we will be looking at local social science, and by that I mean social science as it's practice in the community around you. I've asked you to look at a discussion of scientific literacy, where you'll see that research methods indeed are embedded within our life as participants in our community, consumers of our media, and indeed in many job descriptions in some of the least expected places. So, it'll be a good week for discussion to clarify what are the social sciences, as well as what are the job opportunities and the skills needed to contribute as social scientists locally and globally. So it's an important week, but at the same time we're still in startup mode. I know that you are going to be struggling to establish your e-portfolio using a Google site. Some of you have succeeded in that as I make this video, but most of you I know are exploring it still. Hopefully by the end of the week and the completion of workshop number 1, most of the students in the class will have their feet on the ground with respect to e-portfolios in addition to the course design. Okay, I will say more in a separate video on the nature of science as but one form of knowing. Scientific knowing is really one of 7 kinds, and I'll lecture on that in another video, as well as I said before, the distinction between social sciences as academic fields and social sciences as part of the professional community. So more on that in a supplemental video.